Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to export high quality videos in InShot. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app. Then tap on video. Here select the video that you want to work with. After that I'm going to set the canvas and I'm going to extend it like this. And right here you guys can find out your video, and then at the left corner of your screen you guys will find out export option. Now right here you guys will find out the settings, and then here you guys can make the changes. Right here you guys can choose the numbers of your quality. You guys can add the numbers here, like which quality you want to make, and then in here you guys will find out the frame rate, and in here you guys can find out two options. First one is to make your video in MP4, and the second one you guys will find out GIF option. And then let's export the video. Now let's watch the video. So this is how you guys can export your video in high quality by using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.